I know what you're asking. Is he really using Flex Seal? Yes, I am. I think I've dipped to an all-time low. Anyway, does this stuff really work? We'll find out when we get back. I'm Tim Johnson, and this is Shop Tool Reviews. So we're taking a detour from Tool Avenue today and into the land of make-believe, specifically TV infomercials. Now I'm sure you've seen the Flex Seal commercials, how it seals everything. Well, somebody called me the other day and said, hey, can you TIG up a metal bowl for me? I said, sure, bring it by. Well, as you can see, it's just a thin layer of tin. So why not use the Flex Seal? My kids got me for Father's Day, so not a better use, right? So you can see here, it's got a pretty steady leak in here. So just a little bit of water, and it's pouring pretty good. So we're going to see if Flex Seal really works, see if it'll seal up this pretty large crack in this bowl, or pretty large hole in this seam, if you will. So first it says it needs to be dry, that it needs to be free of any dust and debris, whatever. So we'll blow it out real quick and see what we can come up with. So shake well, keep ventilated, all that other stuff that's on the can, we'll make sure we do, right? Okay, so it says a couple of thin coats, so we'll see what one heavy coat does. Ooh, that's pretty thick. Shoot it up the seam. Spraying more like glue, smells like glue. I can see why they say to wear a mask. I'm sure I've done everything you're not supposed to do, including one heavy coat. So it says to wait 24 to 48 hours for this to dry, but who's got that kind of time? We'll give it a few minutes and come back and see. Okay, so it's been a little over an hour, specifically like an hour and 15 minutes since I sprayed the Flex Seal, and I sprayed it really heavy. So you can see it's still kind of white. I'm assuming that's still supposed to dry clear, and we'll see. But now comes the true test. So I've sprayed this. Again, I'm supposed to let it sit 24 to 48 hours. It's been an hour and 15 minutes. Why not? Sitting in this Florida heat, should be good. So let's see what we have here. So pouring the water in. Do we have any leaks? Hey, look at there. Looks like it's working. So there you have it, Flex Seal. So for the price of a few bucks, you can repair your leaks. So check out Flex Seal. You can buy it white, black, clear, whatever big box store you want to go to. It really works. I'm Tim Johnson. This is Shop Tool Reviews. Keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Have a great day. It really worked.